I just want to take this time to personally thank Adam Ginsberg, Amazon Business Workshop, as well as my coach for this amazing opportunity. A couple of hours ago, we cracked $500,000 in sales on Amazon. I couldn't be happier. It has been quite a journey. I'll tell you, March 2016, I sat in a business workshop and literally soaked up everything that Adam had to say, all the tools that he presented. Took it very seriously. I mean, I want this more than my next breath. And I just started implementing everything that they said, everything that Adam said, everything that my coach said, taking awesome notes so that I could really succeed. And little by little, we were able to do it. Found a niche product and just running like the wind with it. So it really works. I am a success story. Adam said in that workshop that somebody was going to make $25 million a year. It's going to be me. Thank you again for this amazing opportunity. Thank you, Adam, for sharing your knowledge with all of us. God bless you.